Hey, what are you doing?
What new ones?
Um, what are you doing? Are you going to sleep now?
No, I'm leaving it.
Where are you going, Isabel?
I'm giving you a toy. Here you go. My Minnie
Whoa,
Mouse.
is that your guitar?
No, this is your guitar. You lost it here.
Oh, thank you for my guitar.
You're welcome.
Can you put it there?
You wanna enjoy my sleeping?
Daddy O. Bet.
Ipatak siya. You want to enjoy my sleeping?
Are you enjoy sleeping?
Yeah. You want to enjoy my sleeping?
Do you know Isabel?
I'm not Isabel. I'm Minnie Mouse.
Hi, Minnie Mouse. Do you know Isabel?
Yeah, she's in her house, but she's very brave. She's very brave.
What is she doing now?
She's on her home. She's home now.
Who
She's home.
is Isabel sleeping?
Yeah, she's sleeping on her house.
Do you know how to dance?
I can dance like this.
You know how to dance? I'm a little Minnie Mouse.
So I can do like this, gymnastics. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think?
Si Kwan na to, brother.
Hypotoxia! What do you think of that?
What do you think of my headband?
What do you think of my bow?
Where?
Here.
Where is it?
Here. It's on my head.
Oh,
What do you think of
that's
that?
nice.
You have a bow?
Yes, I do. Look, here.
Your bow sounds you have pink and I have white and pink.
Oh, yeah.
So out. So here's my trip. She's still asleep. So I have to close it. Hello. What do you want to buy now?
Do you have Coke?
No. I have toy shop. This is my toy shop.
Do you have bread?
No, this is a toy shop.
Oh. Do you have a what? What do you have?
I have breakfast. You want breakfast?
Yes.
Okay.
I thought this is a toy shop.
Huh?
I thought this is a toy shop.
This is a toy shop.
But you have breakfast?
Yeah, I have breakfast in a toy shop. I go get it. Here you go. There's the gummy. And there's a sandwich. Here you go to sandwich. And that's your sandwich. And some pizza. And some orange. And some pizza on my head. Here. And there's some pizza here. There's some pizza here. Come and get it.
I can't walk.
Why?
Can you bring it here?
Okay. Look how pretty she is. I got it. Here you go.
I'm full now.
Here. That last one.
Do you have milk?
Yeah. And here you go. And there's another milk. Are you full?
Yes.
I'm going to get back to sleep now, okay? Don't wake me, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome back to home.
Okay.
You're still there. I said you have to go
Oh,
home.
bye.
Bye.
Are you full?
Yes, I'm full.
Where's Isabel?
She's on her home. Ipalingkod siya. Dere. I will give you another sword.